This is a blouse pattern. This is a bodice pattern with some sleeve that I would like to work and see whether the sleeve fits well into the bodice. This is the back bodice, back of the sleeve, front of the sleeve, and front bodice. You can see the notches are there to show which one fits into which. So quickly we'll select this segment, hold down shift and select the corresponding segment. Then go to toolbar, look for the working tool. Shortcut is W. You click on that and we'll come to our shapes. We click first here, this will be shape A. And come here and click this will be shape B and see the magic happen. And see the difference between those two segments. A being the bodice and B being the sleeve. So the sleeve is slightly bigger than the bodice, which is fine. Okay, we do the same for hair as well. But for hair, let me show you. I want to check if my notches are correctly placed. So I'm going to select just hair, hold down shift, select this segment here, a working tool, W, click here. Before I start working, I need them to measure exactly the same thing, so that even if there's any haze, it will be at the head and not at that area. So I click here and click here. The first shape we click on means A, the second shape is B. So a sleeve, the notch of our sleeve is positioned at minus 0.003, slightly bigger, very slightly, and I think this is negligible. This is less than 1/64 of an inch, so I'll ignore that. Otherwise, I think I can correct it here, but I'll leave it like that. Okay, let me check here as well. And shifts. Oh,